Bese ngizonidalela ezokujayiva eish this one wonke umuntu azamayo bafethu njengokubona ngehlanganyuka impilo ngehlula angizenzanga njengokubona ngehlanganyuka impilo ngehlula angizenzanga njengokubona ngehlanganyuka impilo ngehlula angizenzanga
They're still going with Umgoisho first. Umgoisho first. Party release, Umgoisho release. We want Umgoisho. We want to groove.
Okay, screw my Umgoish.
Yes. With who? I'm going alone. Like, what are you doing today? I'm going alone. And I know it's going to be like an international trip and whatsoever, but I'm going alone. International trip.
Before ngidrop le ngoma ubani ebenesifiso sothi ngifeature ngizongitshela opportunity bathini lapho ngakwena sengiyaseso imixa sodila nayo manje mphathi session.
You know I sent you a screenshot of someone who was watching, and I think that person, it might be just see my screenshots.
WhatsApp.
I don't know how you feel about it though. I can hold your bags. Now you ever notice I even did a temporary ID for that. I have to go.
Okay. How? Alright. Ngeke nje mina ngifake nje ubafe engomeni zami. Ubafe usenza i3 step yini? Sebenza ngifake wena hayi.
Yini ngikholisha ingane ekholisha. Singasenza give up empilweni. Angikhondi ngiphoyisa.
Okay, yazini.
It's a business trip, it's just a trip. Romantic trip. It's a romantic trip.